How's it going, everybody? So today what we're going to do is we're going to be applying a film, like a vinyl film, on this taillight. I just got finished cleaning it off, but first thing you want to do is you want to spray down, soapy water, get some alcohol, whatever you need to do, clean it off. When you clean it off, also leave a border between the light and the taillight. This right here is my girlfriend's car, but she wants these little hearts going around the taillight. So that's what we're doing. So first thing you want to do is make sure you lubricate the taillight. And I do have a mic if you guys can hear a difference in my voice. There you go. Make sure also when you're doing this, make sure you wet your hands too. You want to try to get like as lined up as you possibly can. So I'm going to get ready and peel the sticker here. When you're peeling the sticker, peel it off a little bit, like that. I don't know if you can see it. And then spray some water in it. And then you have water in the crack area, and then when you open it, the water will slide down and lubricate the rest of the sticker. It's really windy, so this would be a good test for the microphone. And this, we're doing the small one up here first. So make sure it's all wet, nice and lubed up. Then what you want to do now is you want to get the sticker and you want to start peeling it. A better method. Now, get it lined up how you want it. So this stuff will shrink, so you want to try to like put it as much in the middle as you can. And then just kind of like lay it down. You want to make sure your hands stay wet and the film the entire time, because if it's wet it won't stick, it will just slide around. And then right when you are ready for it to stick, you can start drying it down. So let's get it lined up, get leveled. When you're getting it lined up, take your time with it. Don't rush it. And I'm using the bottom of this taillight part as as like a reference for a flat line. That's the best we're going to get it. It's laid on, and what we're going to do is we're going to put heat on it. We're going to use a heat gun or a hair dryer. I have a hair dryer because I'm not making money over here. You can use a heat gun. Heat gun will work just the same. I'm put on low and then kind of just apply a little bit of heat to it. You have a friend with you. This 2 people is going to make this thing way easier to do than by herself. My girlfriend's, she's lucky she's at work, because I would have had her doing most of this, because this is not my favorite thing to do. We put some heat on it, so it's causing most of it to stick down, but you still want to be super careful not to kind of break its placement, I guess you could say. And you want to get the squeegee and just start squeegeeing out the extra water or whatever. I'm letting the heat do most of the work of pulling it close together, and I'm just kind of using the squeegee to like help get some of the blemishes out. And right when you don't want it to shrink anymore because you need to readjust something or whatever, just take the heat gun away. And then, oh, you can't really see it. You get the best you can. Light has a lot of imperfections in it when they casted it. It's a lot of like here, there's little dimples and stuff, and all these little like ledges and stuff. What you do now is you get all the extra stuff that didn't shrink right, or didn't shrink at all, period. The razor blade and you cut it off. Really look pretty good. Oh, I'm stepping on everything. It's like super windy, insanely windy. It's gonna be a good test for this microphone. Stop being windy. Stop being windy. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. What are you doing? What are you doing? Come on. if I could leave one recommendation, if you could take your taillights out, like it'd be easy to take them out. I'll just take them out, get them removed. It might make it easier. That's the first one I did. Look pretty good. Pretty tacky, but I mean, there you go. Thanks guys for staying tuned and watching. I had more of an exciting video. I was putting an intake on the Accord and then that turned into a mess, but now the Accord's not drivable, but work on that later. That video will come out later in the future, maybe. Depends how far I'm willing to go with it, but there you guys go. If you guys like what you've seen today, let me know. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns about this, see you guys in the next one.